Hi, Rainbow. You're playing with your smiley. This is your pink smiley. This is Rainbow the Budgie. He's having a great time this morning. Whoa. He likes to throw his toys down from the coffee table and makes a big squeal as it's going down. Let's see what Rainbow's going to do. Ooh, very good. He likes to play with his ball. Push it down the slide. Oh, did we get that on camera? Might have missed it. He likes to throw his toys down to the floor. Want to do it again, Rainbow? Ooh, we saw that one. Okay, Rainbow loves to throw his toys all around, either from the coffee table or from his playset. That's his way of playing. It could be he likes the sound of the toy when it hits the ground, a thump. Let's see. Okay, so once he throws his toy down to the floor, sometimes he'll go after it and play with it, and sometimes he'll abandon it, like now. You having a good time? Say hi to everybody. Okay, continuing from last week's series, we're going to do a little bit more about cages. We're going to talk about covering your bird cage. Some bird owners like to cover their bird cage, and some they don't. I recommend covering the bird cage with a blanket, whatever you have around. It could be a sheet, it could be a blanket, it could be a fleece plushie like this one. And I cover 3 sides of the cage. Why? Because one side is for the bird to peer out, and in the middle of the night they can get spooked. So the opening points to an area where you can have some source of light, like this. And also, I have a night light over here on the side. So the bird is never in pitch black, because like us, we sometimes move around or fumble around in the middle of the night and we can't see, things happen. Placement of your perch and your bird food is very important. Usually the swing should go in the middle of the cage, in the center of the cage, so it has room for it to swing around. If your bird doesn't have room to turn around comfortably again, you have to rearrange the perch. So the bird could stand on your perch without brushing against any bars or any other object. Also place my perch outside. You can place your toys outside too. Strategic placement of your food and water source helps prevent poop from landing inside your food or water. I would advise not to have any perch on top of any food or water source. Perches can be placed closer for older birds or birds with disability to help them go from one area to another. There are also specialized perches like a flat wooden platform that could be purchased as a perch for a bird that has a disability. It's always a good idea not to have a perch on top of a perch, but in this case, it's okay because just of the angle. So when the bird is on this pink perch, his vent is not directly on top of the rope perch because the rope perch is curved in. So careful placement and careful consideration of where you place the bird accessories could help you cut down on poop in areas that you don't want poop to be in.